Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we have an incredibly easy and delicious recipe for you. Kofta recipe. This dish is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a special occasion. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Minced beef, Himalayan salt, black pepper, coriander, and your favorite meat spices. You'll find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Mix everything very well until all the spices are evenly distributed. Using your hands, shape the beef as shown and with the back of a spoon, press lightly to give it a nice grilled look. This will also help in the cooking process. Now, in a large pan over medium-high heat, add some olive oil. Once it's hot, place the koftas in the pan and cook them for about 5 minutes on each side until they are beautifully browned and cooked through. And that's all. A very easy and delicious kofta recipe done in only 15 minutes. Serve these koftas with some sautéed vegetables or salad and tahini sauce, and enjoy a delightful meal that is also keto-friendly for those following a keto diet. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to Heaven's Kitchen for more amazing recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.